will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, and you just click here on settings. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps this here, and then you're looking for Microsoft Edge app, or just click on search. Then here at Edge app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this. Says click here on for stop. You click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.